case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In an alarming case that tested the solidarity of our criminal justice system, Mark Theodore Larson was convicted by the Montana Supreme Court on 4 counts: negligent homicide, driving under the influence, speeding, and failure to wear a safety belt, over a car crash that resulted in the tragic death of Nicholas John Clare. In the midst of a perilous bend in Pondera County, Larson, fueled by alcohol and accelerated by speed, lost control of his vehicle in a horrific rollover accident that delivered a fatal blow to Clare. Following his conviction, in a desperate attempt to contest the charges against him, Larson appealed the judgment. The thrust of his argument rested on the fact that specific evidence, in his view, hadn't been properly considered, thereby rendering the case against him weak. He claimed that new highway signs that had been put up at the accident scene post facto were of consequence. Additionally, Larson argued that the victim's blood alcohol concentration at the time of the accident was of critical importance and should have been factored into the equation. However, the Montana Supreme Court saw through Larson's veiled efforts. The justices determined that the lower court hadn't erred in the least in its decision to dismiss the newly erected highway signs and the victim's blood alcohol level as irrelevant. The court stressed the fact that these considerations wouldn't have changed Larson's underlying guilt of driving drunk with excessive speed and without a seatbelt, which subsequently led to Clare's untimely demise. After an exhaustive review, the court confirmed the district court's judgment, putting a firm end to Larson's appeals. The appalling nature of the case and Larson's ramifications reverberated across the nation, reiterating the importance of adhering to safety protocols and bringing a heightened sense of public awareness to drunk driving.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of climb.